Welcome back to the channel where the road meets luxury, adventure, and innovation every single week. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we bring you the most unique and cutting-edge vehicles on the planet, from futuristic supercars to the wildest camper trikes you've ever seen. Today, we've got something that blends urban mobility with compact comfort in a way that's redefining how we think about city travel and weekend getaways. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Bufflino Urban Nomad, a camper tricycle that's sleek, functional, and designed for the modern adventurer who thrives in tight spaces and big ideas. Let's dive into what makes the Urban Nomad one of the most exciting microcamper releases of the year. At first glance, the 2026 Urban Nomad is a design marvel. It's minimal, futuristic, and incredibly compact. Bufflino has taken their tricycle camper game and urbanized it, creating something that's small enough to glide through city streets, yet smart enough to offer overnight comfort without compromise. With its clean lines, aerodynamic shell, and foldable features, the Urban Nomad looks like it belongs in the heart of a European alleyway or parked next to a scenic cafe in Tokyo. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the frame, it's fully electric. The Urban Nomad is powered by a high-efficiency 1200W electric motor, giving it a top speed of around 28 miles per hour or 45 kilometers per hour. While that might not sound like much, it's more than enough for zipping through urban centers or suburban bike trails. The battery setup gives you a solid range of up to 75 kilometers on a full charge, making it ideal for daily commutes, weekend escapes, or spontaneous overnighters. But what really sets this camper trike apart is the interior. Bufflino's engineers have managed to pack a surprising amount of function into a tiny footprint. When parked, the Urban Nomad expands slightly to reveal a compact living pod. Inside, you've got a comfortable single-sleeper bed setup, complete with a folding mattress, a reading light, and USB charging ports powered by the onboard solar panel. Yes, you heard that right, solar power. A 100-watt flexible solar panel sits atop the roof, continuously charging the auxiliary battery that runs the lights, fan, and devices. That means even off-grid, you've got sustainable energy keeping things comfortable and functional. Need to work on the go? The Urban Nomad comes with a fold-out desk and a laptop platform, turning this camper into a micro-office on wheels. It's perfect for digital nomads, remote workers, or students living that van life dream on three wheels. The side compartment hides a pull-out kitchenette with a single-burner butane stove, a collapsible sink, and even a mini storage drawer for utensils and essentials. It's simple but practical, perfect for quick meals while parked at a city overlook or camped out in nature. Storage is smartly integrated too. Beneath the bed platform, you'll find modular drawers that can fit clothing, tools, or camping gear. And in true Bufflino style, everything is lightweight, eco-conscious, and made with recycled materials wherever possible. Now, you might be wondering, what about safety and comfort on the ride? Bufflino thought of that too. The Urban Nomad features full front and rear suspension, disc brakes for responsive stopping, and a reinforced cabin shell made of carbon-reinforced polymer. That means a smoother ride, better protection from the elements, and more durability over time. The driver's cockpit includes a digital display for speed, battery level, and distance, with built-in Bluetooth connectivity for music or GPS. The seating is ergonomic, with lumbar support and adjustable handlebars to make sure your ride is as comfortable as your sleep. And let's not forget one of the best features, it fits anywhere. Literally. You can park it on a sidewalk, a tiny backyard, or even inside a garage. In cities where full-size RVs or vans are simply too big or restricted, the Urban Nomad gives you full microcamper freedom without the stress of finding a parking spot or dealing with tight turns. It's not just a camper, it's a lifestyle tool. Whether you're living in a bustling city, exploring local parks, or just looking to downsize your weekend travels, the Urban Nomad offers a fresh way to roam. It's budget-friendly, maintenance-light, and backed by Bufflino's expanding support network for parts and service. Of course, this kind of innovation comes with a bit of a niche appeal. The Urban Nomad isn't for families or full-time vanlifers looking to live off-grid for weeks at a time. But for solo travelers, students, creatives, or eco-conscious explorers, it's an absolute gem. Starting at around $5,900, it's also one of the most affordable campers in the Bufflino lineup. And with government incentives for electric vehicles in many regions, the real-world price can drop even further. So, is the 2026 Bufflino Urban Nomad the future of minimalist travel? It just might be. Compact, capable, and incredibly clever, it's the ultimate tool for modern adventurers who want less clutter, more freedom, and total mobility. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2026 Bufflino Urban Nomad. What do you think? Would you take this sleek little camper on a weekend trip or even live in it full time? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd customize your own urban nomad or where you'd take it first. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell icon so you never miss another episode. We've got more unique campers, luxury vehicles, and wild automotive concepts coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and drive something extraordinary.